baddest of the baddest, the best car builder in the world.
Alex Soto.
Yes, sir.
What's up, everybody?
Guys, so you already know.
What'd you do?
Alex Soto.
What'd you do?
We broke the transmission.
Turn it on.
Turn it on and hear the clanking noise.
That bad?
Yeah.
Una sonaja.
Nah, it wasn't really that bad. It was just a little. Since that boost, you know, we had the little boost problem. I kept testing it, and gave up. Yeah, you'll figure
Love the RS6. We cut the hood up. Look at this fool. Cut the hood.
Why? The turbo's right there, or what?
Yeah, to get more air to the turbo. Hey,
love it.
you can take him. You can take him out of the Honda hood. But you can't take the Honda out of him, huh? It's good though, bro. Thank God. How about you guys? Good?
Yeah.
¿Cómo andan?
Man, it was a long fucking drive.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. We didn't stop. We left yesterday around 2. I drove all day.
Just you three?
Yeah. He drove all night, and then I picked it up in the morning.
You guys got the truck here too, though, no?
What truck?
The white one?
No?
You guys just bought the Lambo?
Yeah.
I thought I saw the truck. How much is that right around?
No, the truck was going somewhere else. Hey, ¿so qué ya tiene todas las partes, no? ¿Sí? ¿Listo? ¿Entonces te lo vas a aventar un día? ¡Ah, no! ¿Verga así rápido, güey?
No, pero pues ¿qué razón? A lo mejor empiezo ahorita o a lo mejor empiezo en la mañana.
217? What do you say? You unload it or what?
Yeah,
Let's get it
bring it tight.
boy. All hands on deck, guys. We're gonna unload it, bring it inside. ¿Dónde va a ser aquí el SLM?
¿Cuál es? All hands on deck, si nomás son dos. Yeah, just bring it in and I'll make the room to load it.
Camera, meet camera, camera, meet camera.
We're here, we're back.
Sheepy meet Freddy's fans, Freddy's fans.
Hey, just like Alex said, he said you'll be back in a couple of months. And we're back. He told me. He did tell me. It lasted more than what I expected, so.
I'm surprised that shit lasted you as long
The
as
way
it
I
did.
was.
I was seeing.
Yeah.
I saw your video. I saw you. No, we were tagged.
Yeah, guys, we're gonna go outside, unload the Mavalon Project Torque Lamborghini, and try to bring it in here. That way, Big Head can start working on it, cause he don't want to stay late.
Finish it right now.
But look, guys, there's a bunch of more cars than from the last time we were here. Look at this. We got a bunch of cars over here, all the way over here, and look at this beautiful white Huracan. White looks right. I ain't gonna lie. Carbon fiber, Porsche carbon fiber hood. Looks really, really nice, really aggressive. This has got to be one of my favorite colors. Oh, este es el largo. Damn, I really like this white, Alex.
Why don't we wrap your car?
Yeah, I'm gonna wrap it either this way or the same color as the turbo. Loud. I need loud. I need people to see me coming from like 5 miles away.
That'll do it, fool.
And that's the sound of a broken transmission. Could have been worse.
Why'd you shouldn't even said that. You shouldn't even said that.
It's alright.
Oh
It'll be
no.
okay. Huh? Let's knock on wood. Hell yeah, finally guys, my car's back at Sheepy and they gonna leave it just like it was the first time. Top notch.
How many hits do you think you've made? If
Probably-
you had to really take a guess.
Probably about 100. I'm talking about every day I took it out was about 2 or 3. And then that last day it was like fucking 20 that one day. Trying to get it to work, but
You see how Alejandro's car ran?
man, that thing is fucking stupid fast. We were supposed to race. He was gonna probably get me, but it would have been fun.
Yeah.
So now what you think we could push a little bit more power now? So guys, according to shipping, we're gonna be able to squeeze out another 100, right?
Another 150.
So we'll probably be like at 1500, 1550. It was fucking fast how it was. Now imagine another 150 horsepower. It's gonna be stupid fast. Stupid fast.
I mean, bro, already a fast car.
Yeah.
The problem is like,
the problem is that now I get into my other trucks, turbo cars.
not the same, huh?
I'm like, what the fuck? This shit is stupid slow compared to this. Like as a daily driver, everything else feels so slow.
You can't beat them. The next thing after here, what I would do, fool, so we keep the 18s for the street, just chilling. We put a 17 on it with the Mickey Thompson R for the track. World of difference.
It'll hook better.
Of course.
So you think this transmission is gonna last me a lot longer?
Well, yes. It's still, while it's billet parts, as you know, you got race trucks, things still break.
Yeah.
Right? So, but yeah, theoretically, yes.
Well, yeah, guys, so it's finally here. Let's go with Big Head, and he's gonna explain to us what he's gonna take out and what he's gonna put back in it.
Once I open it, I'll see what's wrong with it. But I'm assuming you're getting a full gear set, right?
Yeah.
The gear set's over there.
So let's check it out. Full
Mira.
billet Lamborghini engine.
Damn.
Holy crap. ¿Es para el homeboy, verdad?
100K. Aquí.
This?
100K?
We gonna wait on that probably. No mames, see? Probably 2 months I'll come get one of those. So this is the full.
So this is the billet gear. So these and dots.
So we're gonna replace the billet gear. We're gonna replace the axles. What else?
That's it. No new hardware.
Okay.
I gotta talk to Alex to see exactly what it is.
Yeah.
But as far as I know, I did most of the things last time except this
Yeah, you did the clutches and
and the stuff.
so it's gonna be gear set and axles, right?
Okay. Okay, I'll talk to Alex to make sure. But yeah, this is all your stuff, all brand new shit. Right?
This two over here. Or what?
This is another one.
Okay.
But yes, sir,
Yeah,
all
let's talk
brand
to
new.
Alex. But I see we're gonna put some more power down, guys. I just wanna drive my car again. It's been sitting in the shop for 2-3 months, and every time I walk by it, I'm like, man, all my money just sitting here. We gotta get it out and make some content.
Get us done.
Guys, we literally took longer for us to drive over here than what this guy's gonna take to replace the stuff on the transmission and put it back on.
You should have just shipped it.
Oh, it's alright though. I wanted to come visit you guys. You know, we missed y'all from last time we were here. We always get treated very, very professional and nice. So it's nice to come revisit with the buddies from over here. Nah, then we got a show in New Mexico.
Oh,
So
okay.
from here we're gonna go to New Mexico.
Órale, órale. Okay.
Alright guys, so Alex here is gonna go ahead and pop it open and we're gonna see the damage. What exactly happened inside my transmission on my Lamborghini? We're gonna find out right now. I think it was first gear. What you think, Alex? First gear shattered.
First gear, we go, I'm out of here.
Yeah. It's a gear.
¿Es ahí?
No. So this is not broken. Some of it got caught up right here, but this is gonna be replaced anyway.
Ajá.
Pero si hubiera sido el ring and pinion, esto hubiera estado quebrado.
Ah, okay.
It wasn't that. So most likely it is a gear.
Yeah, it was first gear. Porque like calaba second and third. Well, it was probably first and second.
Pero did you get past second gear?
No.
Yeah, it's first gear for sure.
This shit is complicated as fuck.
I think so. It's puro bolt on, yeah.
Va a salir todo eso junto, ¿verdad?
Sí.
Esos cilindros que son los que ponen los cambios y todo el pedo.
It's two valve body. So como una automatic transmission.
Yeah.
It's almost the same thing. So this is like half automatic, half stick shift.
¿Qué es eso?
Pinche metal.
Oh yeah.
Here, hold on. Let me grab the
Oh, shit, es cierto.
You see a little bit of metal in there.
Todas las teeth, look at it. That's all teeth right there.
So vas a tener que dar una limpiada aparte de
We'll see. Now it's gonna take me longer now.
puro fragments, ¿verdad?
That's a tooth, mira.
Holy
That's a
smokes.
gear, look at.
Completely shattered. That's what happens when you're pushing 1400 horsepower to the wheels. Transmission can't hold it.
It held it pretty good for a while. It held
Yeah,
it pretty good.
shit, hell yeah.
We got good hits out of it.
We got good content out of it.
Yeah, hell yeah.
But now we're gonna get better content with 1500 horsepower.
And a build transmission.
Damn it, boy. So does the gear set help it at all or no?
Well, yeah, because you can go up on power too.
But is it, ¿le cambian el paso o no?
Como?
Como, you know how like on trucks you got like 410s, 373s?
So like a longer gear ratio and stuff like that? No.
It's
Eso
all the
no
same?
hacen eso.
Oh, it's just better quality?
Yeah, it's just gonna last you longer. None of this will happen. Because right now, the weak part is the gear.
A little bit of metal shavings.
Mira.
Damn. Okay, so we're gonna take these and we're gonna ship them out as souvenirs.
Mira.
No, how you gonna clean all that out?
I gotta wash everything. I take it completely apart and wash it.
Damn. We made a mess. Well, I did. Sorry, cuz. Ni pedo.
This is the worst I've seen in a while.
That's the worst you've seen in a while?
In a while, yeah.
Para tu café mañana agarra poquito. It's uploaded? They got that fast ass Wi-Fi.
That fast Wi-Fi, huh?
1400 horsepower Wi-Fi.
Yeah,
Es que es aquí puro todo es fast. Everything's fast.
El Wi-Fi antes tiene un turbo.
Twin turbo built transmission Wi-Fi.
Port fans.
That was it.
That's it, güey. We'll just weld the teeth back together, güey. No pasa nada.
Yeah, ponle JB Weld.
Vámonos, recio. First gear, güey.
Yeah.
Also second gear sería? Like say you put it on second gear.
Yeah, wait, but you gotta get the first gear to go to the second.
Ay. You didn't know that?
Sí,
On
güey.
a Lamborghini
Está
transmission?
nuevo este vato. Oh, you thinking like a manual car, huh? Put it in second?
Yeah.
No, güey.
Tienes que aprender, ponte verga, yo sabía ese jalea.
Cállate, lo iba a preguntar también.
Well, there, boy, guys, so that's it right there. That's the problem. That's the issue. So, Alex, explain to him what we're gonna do, how we're gonna beef it up.
He's gonna explain.
We're gonna replace that.
Yeah, clean everything and then put all the new stuff I showed you guys. So the good thing with this is all that stuff that broke gets replaced. So the only things we need is the actual shaft. The actual shaft is still good. So I mean,
Okay.
all this gets replaced with the billet stuff. So you're good.
Billet parts and performance.
¿Ya te meterla ahí adentro?
Yeah.
So quería el Lamborghini, mi amigo.
See? Hey, this shit's expensive, guys. If you want a Lambo, just leave it stock.
My boy could have bought another house in Texas.
Easily. Hey, aquí no deja financing. Aquí tienes que... You gotta pay to play. Like, look at this. Big billet motor.
Should we just put this in your car now, güey?
No, hell no. Tranquilo.
Just 100 G's, güey.
That's how we started last time. Remember? Oh, the billet.
It was just 100,000 with the volada, güey.
100,000?
Just for this.
Shippy sponsor. Se lo ponemos.
I'm out of here. If I gotta hang on my page.
Like I said, maybe 2-3 months we'll come back and get it. But right now we should be good with that way.
Hey, 2024.
2024 billet block. You know, we gotta take it little by little. That's good for what, 2,000 horsepower?
That's for like 3.
3,000 horsepower? And this transmission a holder, you gotta beef it up one.
It'll probably need a bigger clutch. They make an even bigger clutch for it. But besides that, it should.
3,000 horsepower.
De una vez, güey, ya. ¿Para qué venimos otra vez?
Nah, I wanna. 3,000 horsepower sitting right here. Yeah, you go get your ass gat, boy.
Cientos, imagínate.
You're gonna fucking sell your truck. You're gonna be like, you know what? I give up on this racing shit. You're getting the gap time. You better take advantage right now, which I don't think is gonna be much of advantage. You're gonna be taking butt. After I get this motor, unbeatable, unstoppable. Listen to what I'm telling you. We're eventually gonna get this billet block on my car. I'm telling you right now. It's just a matter of time. We're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. It's just a matter of time.
Se me ve como una joyita, güey.
And it's all billet. All billet.
Yeah, look at the finish. You don't fucking cut yourself like
Yeah.
all that shit.
Mhm.
Like it's nice and smooth.
Yeah. Even wheels companies don't even do it this.
Yeah, the wheel company, you run your hand through it and
Yeah.
it'll scratch yourself. Yeah.
Oh, this sharp, but this is
Eso
good,
no.
good quality.
Ay, güey, le están
No, no,
tapando
no,
todo
no,
ya.
no.
Lo manoseamos ya.
Get your GTR ready, because I'm gonna get that shit. Let's go. Guys, so we'll be back tomorrow. You guys seen a little bit of what happened today. Tomorrow, by the time we get here, he's probably gonna have it all put together. I'm not sure, but tomorrow, the car will be up and running tomorrow, that way?
By this time, we'll be good to go.
It literally took us more time to get here than the time that it's gonna take my homie over here, Pelón,
What's that?
Big Hit,
¿A qué
Alex.
horas empezamos? What time did I tell you? What time it was? When I was working on the other car, like 2 o'clock?
2 o'clock.
2:30, I think it was.
It literally took us more time to get from Texas to California than the time that it's gonna take me to fix it. That's unbelievable. This guy works hard, quick, and good shit. I'm not. So this is an original Lamborghini engine. This is how it looks, and that's the $100,000 block. So it's a big difference, but we're gonna get it one day. One day, guys. Lamborghini has always been my dream car, and I'm not gonna stop till I get that car to 3,000 horsepower. 3,000 horsepower coming up.
Los traigo a comer, están en el teléfono.
¿Quieres platicar, verdad? ¿Quieres platicar, verdad?
Estamos aquí para convivir en familia.
Pelo seco, estoy poniendo ir a puro content every day.
Esto
Eso está bien pendejo.
Yo también voy a poner cancha.
tómale, como hombre.
Estaba haciendo caras que la salsa había feo, ¿sí o no, Quecho?
Y ahorita
Ya nomás prende la cámara y se compuso todo.
La actuación comienza.
Seas mamón, muñeño.
A ver, ¿qué es?
Y ordenó, ¿qué ordenaste? Bush. Ordenó cerveza Bush.
No, pinche.
Yo ordené Miller Lite. Ustedes, guys, ¿de cuál pistean? Meten ahí.
¿Ustedes cómo hacen?
La cagaste, güey.
La cagaste.
A ver tú, güey, muérdela.
Lo mismo que yo hice. Hazlo.
¿Estás actuando o es de verdad, güey?